This is a true story. In the late 1970s, people across the Midwest reported seeing the same thing, black helicopters with no markings hovering silently above neighborhoods at night. They would appear without warning, sometimes over schools, sometimes over empty highways. No sound of engines, just the faint hum of something unnatural. Police called it paranoia. The news said mass hallucination. But then livestock started vanishing. Entire herds gone overnight with no tracks left behind. One farmer swore he saw a spotlight beam pull a cow into the air. The next day, he refused to speak again. Declassified documents later revealed dozens of reports labeled Project Night Eyes, but every page was heavily blacked out. Entire names and dates erased. Witnesses all described the same final moment when the helicopters passed. Windows rattled and shadows moved inside their homes. Even when they were alone to this day, no one knows who was flying them, but some say the sound has returned, and this time they're not watching from above.